guys, it's your girl Bree and welcome back to my channel. Today's look is a halo orange, pumpkin spice and everything nice kind of look. I decided to do this look just because I needed some orange in my life and I haven't done one in a minute. So if you guys haven't already, please subscribe to Bree Marie so you can see more videos like this. And if you guys are interested in learning how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, so the palette I'm going to be using today is Celestial Thunder by Dominique Cosmetics. I'm going to create a halo today. So the first shade I'm going to pick up is this one right here, Lunar Eclipse. I'm going to put that in my crease. Okay, I'm picking that shade up on a Morphe M573 and I'm just going to go directly into the crease. I did clean my brushes last night because it was just overdue and I wish I could literally pay somebody to do it because I hate cleaning my brushes. It just takes so much time because I have so many and it's just not a fun process. I mean, who loves cleaning their brushes? Not me. And I had to do my beauty blenders as well because they were filthy. Moving on, I'm going to take a pencil brush and then I'm going to dive into the shade right here. Storm Dust. It's kind of like terracotta color. I'm just gonna put this in my outer and inner corner. Actually, I'm gonna use a small blending brush first to put it on the outer. And this is a Morphe M506. And I wanna keep this shade super low as well. This pencil brush looks all cray. Like I let it sit on its side when it was drying and it's all crazy right now. Go back in with that little blending brush. It's gonna look like this. You can tell that everything is nice and blended now. Okay, now I'm gonna take that Morphe palette 35M and I'm actually gonna go in with this shade right here. Just an orange shimmer. Take this Morphe flat brush, put some spray on it, and then dip into that shade. It's like a pumpkin spice latte vibe. And then you can lightly go over the terracotta shade just to make sure there's no harsh lines. And you typically want the shimmer to be in the center of your eye. And yeah, but anyways, so now that I have this eye finished, I'm gonna do this one off camera and I'm also going to tightline with a shadow, like a black shadow, and apply some lashes and I will be right back. I use the Ardell 3D Faux Mink lashes. I also prime my face using Beauty Blender's face primer and now I'm gonna go ahead and jump onto the skin. I'm gonna use Fenty Beauty again. This is the Pro Filter in shade 220. And I'm gonna use this on a BH Cosmetics number 2 brush. And I'm just gonna buff this into my skin. For concealer, I'm just gonna go in with Maybelline Instant Rewind. This is in the shade Light Honey. But yeah, I wish I could pay somebody to wash my brushes because it's just not fun. Is there such thing? Like a designated brush washer that comes over to your house and then does everything for you? Because if so, let me know. I'm very interested. It almost makes you just want to buy like more brushes, honestly, if anything, so then I still don't have to wash them as often. At least I try and keep it entertaining. Like I'll watch a video. Like last night I was watching Grey's Anatomy while I was cleaning my brushes. Oh my god, I just wiped my eyebrow off, whatever. But yeah, I'll set up my laptop next to the sink and then I'll just go on in and watch something to keep me entertained so that it's not as bad, you know? But still, it's still boring. I wasn't gonna do cream contour, but I think this definitely calls for the occasion since I look like Casper's sister, like I said. So I'm gonna go in with LA Girl Pro Concealer, high definition. This is in the shade Cool Tan. Awesome, that's definitely what I need right now. Cool. That's me. Just kidding. Ooh. See? You see what I did? That's what I get for calling myself cool. Alright, I'm taking this on a BH Cosmetics number 4 brush. Damn it, I think I got some in my hair. Oh, I'm a mess today. What else is new? Now I'm gonna go back in with that blender and just blend everything out. Now to set my face, I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder, and this is in the shade Medium. Taking that on a Morphe M554 brush. Okay, for bronzer today, I'm going to be using an OG Morphe Glam Bronze in Megastar. Just gonna set that contour that I did. Just got off the phone with my dad. That was nice. Haven't talked to him in a minute. And he's talking about Thanksgiving plans. So I'm excited about that. He's talking about us going back home because I'm from Washington to visit my grandma and my uncles and my cousins. And I'm like, oh my God, I'm so excited. There, so much better. Don't I look more glam? Don't I look so much more healthy now that I got my bronze on? Now I'm just gonna bake a little bit on the sides of my chiseled cheekbones. I'm gonna use Peach Perfect just to do a little bit of baking by Too Faced. Trips me out every time, the smell of this. Peaches, yummy. Now I'm just gonna put this under my eyes as well, so I can do the lower lash line. Put it a little bit on the sides of the nose as well to make it look more narrow. All right, moving on to the lash line. I'm gonna take Lunar Eclipse and I'm just gonna smoke it out. This is a Morphe M432. I love these colors because it reminds me of pumpkin spice lattes. Pumpkin spice. I had some pumpkin spice mochi last night, which was pretty good. I'm gonna try and stock up on those before they go out of season. And what else? Just pumpkins and October. You know, it's October now. About to be Scorpio season. Excited about that. You know, that's my time to shine. Now I'm gonna take Storm Dust, which is the terracotta shade, and put it in right in my waterline because I think I'm gonna keep the lower lash line a little bit more on the lighter side today. Don't want to make it too smoky. I want to focus the eye more on the halo. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna spritz my brush just a little bit. For blush, I'm going to be using the Warm Master 8W from Morphe, and I'm going to dip into MUA and Provocative to match this kind of orangey theme we got going on. Do you guys like my hair today? I thought it was cute, and then I'm like, dude, I kind of look like Lord of the Rings style. Like Frodo or some ish. My precious. Dude, that's kind of a scary movie. I don't like those movies. They're creepy. My precious, my precious. Except for Orlando Bloom was in it. He was hot. He was hot as a little elf. He was blonde too. That made him hotter. And then when I found out what he really looked like, I was kind of bummed. I was like, damn. I don't know why at the time, because I like him tall, dark, and handsome. I don't really like blonde guys. So it's kind of interesting how your taste can change over time. Okay, for highlight, I'm gonna go in with an OG. This is Glow Kit Sun Dipped by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm gonna use Moonstone. Let's stick with the orangey theme I got going on. A little highlight for her too. Now for setting spray, I'm gonna go in with All Nighter from Urban Decay. Give myself a little spritz, a little refresher. I feel like such a model. For lips today, to keep the theme going, I'm gonna use Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is their peachy liquid lipstick. Doesn't smell like peaches though. It's okay. I mean, that's where the scent should be, on your lips, not on your face. Whatevs. I think this color's too peachy for me. So I'm gonna try and deepen it up a little bit with On Mute from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Oh yeah, that is so much better. Trial and error, people. Happens every now and then. You think something looks good and then you put it on and it's like, oh girl, I don't know about that. But then you try something else and it's perfection. All right guys, and I would say that this halo eye is complete. Please let me know if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you guys have any looks in mind that you'd like to see me recreate, or you guys have any ideas for some Halloween looks, please comment down below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. And as I start, that's when they call. Of course, no. Some drama is going on outside. Jeez, crazy. Got everything going on today. We got the planes, we got the cops, we got the ambulance. Clear the way for King Ali. It's because I'm like clearing my desk. I don't know why I randomly thought of Aladdin, but just go with it, okay?